Learn English with practice. Welcome to all.
You were a student. You were not a student. Were you a student? Were not you a student? What were you a student for? What were not you a student for? What subject were you a student of? What subject were not you a student of? Why were you a student? Why were not a student? How were you a student? How were not you a student? Who was a student? Who was not a student? Who were student? Who were not student? Which subject were you a student of? Which subject were not you a student of? Whose student were you? Whose student were not you? How many numbers of students are you? How many numbers of students are not you? If you want to make other sentences, just change subject, be verb and add extension. The example of subject and be verb. He was a doctor. They were not doctor. How many numbers of students were you? The example of extension. We were students of economic. How was she a doctor of orthopedics?